What is up, dudes? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the Coyote again, and today the main goal is going to be getting these heads completely installed, torquing everything down, and anything else from there is just bonus. Now it should be relatively straightforward. I have the ARP head studs, I have the torque specs, everything seems pretty solid. So right now I'm just cleaning out the inside of here, the faces where the washers are going to sit. I'm cleaning that out, and we're going to just jump right into it today. I got all of the head studs torqued down. I also threw on the oil pump. Now the next step is going to be grabbing the cams. So 1 and 2. So this is the passenger side, so I'll be doing that one first. And then we have all of our cam caps over here. Let's see. 1 and 2. That's these. Sweet. And these are the rollers for 1. As I'm going along putting these rollers on, making sure that everything is oiled up, because you don't want to have any of this run dry at all as you're starting the motor for the first time, which kind of is difficult, but as long as you remember to do all this stuff as you're going, then you shouldn't have any issues. I just got it all torqued down to spec, so all of the cams on the passenger side are set, 100% ready to go. Now I just gotta do this side. Hello, so fast forward to the next day. Sorry that I'm super sweaty, my hair's a mess. I need to show you guys something. Disregard the sound of my voice since I'm extremely tired, but I got down to business today. I figured there wasn't really a point for me to show you step by step of how I did everything, since I was pretty much following YouTube videos and the Ford Workshop manual my whole way going through. And there's plenty of other great videos out there that tell you exactly how to do everything. But I just wanted to show you the final product. I will be the first to tell you that timing this thing is the biggest roadblock you come across, because it's super hard to get all 4 cams in time. It's very tedious work, but once you get it, it's pretty much foolproof. So if you have it right, you'll know for sure, and if you have it wrong, you'll know for sure as well. I was able to get everything torqued down to spec as well. I got everything perfect. So that has been the best thing I could do to my conscience, was making sure everything is perfect, and I know for certain that it's perfect. Pete allowed me to use his snap-on torque wrench that can get degree measurements and whatnot. So thank you, Pete. That thing was a huge help. But other than that, I mean, there's really not much else for me to say, except that I'm super excited. I just can't show it because I am extremely exhausted. I've been working on this thing since 11 o'clock today. So it's been nonstop, and it's 9 right now. So we've been putting in work. And the car is going to be going to the shop in probably the next week or so. So we're going to be putting this thing on the trailer, putting the motor and the trans in the back of my truck, and towing this baby there. So I think I'm just going to kind of sit tight for a while, not spend any more money on anything until we actually take it. So probably the next time I see you guys will be me taking the car to the shop. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please drop a big old thumbs up down below. It would really help out if you guys enjoyed, and also be sure that you're subscribed if you're not already. Make sure you have your post notifications on as well. That way when I do take this thing to the shop, you guys are the first ones to be notified. And ending on that, I will see you guys next time. Peace out, y'all, and be sure to work more and talk less. See ya.